Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today is a 10th of September 2021 and Friday, and I just finished my trading day. Looking forward for relaxing weekend. As always, I would like to show you how I analyze market in real time and help my traders to bank amazing profit and the best trade of the day. All right, let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into this straight to the three major currency pair: Euro USD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. So Euro USD, if you look at here in 4 hour, we had only small breakout trade here and bank few pps here, and profit target nicely hit, as you can see here. And then afterwards we are looking for short trade here. As you can see, the previous price action, price broken this previous low, after that pullback, that was a good place to look for short. And also if you look at here, we have another bearish flag pattern is developed. That's the good sign for continuity of short. So we had only one small long trade, and still traders are looking for short trade, but I finished my trading day a bit early. As you can see, I'm looking for weekend, nice relaxing weekend, guys. All right, so this is the intraday analysis. Based on the 4-hour analysis, we had a beautiful counter long trade. As mentioned in my yesterday analysis, if you haven't seen it, the video link is given in the video descriptions. So we have taken this long here and bank as soon as the price hit the profit target in 4 hour, and that's what we explained to trader. It's time to bank some profit. All right, so that was the Euro USD. We had only one small long trade, and still traders are looking for short trade here based on this analysis and based on the 4-hour analysis I just explained to you guys. All right, let's move into the pound dollar. Pound dollar, we had a quite interesting trades. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, we had long trade this morning. We had this breakout, bank beautiful pips. As soon as the price hit to the support level, we bank beautiful pips, and now we are short here. Once the price develop, you can see spinning top, and we have a valid technical short trade. Let me explain to you how I analyze market and help my traders to bank beautiful pips on pound dollar. Right, so if you look at the intraday, this is the analysis I did just before London Open. Look for this breakout. Our bias was long. If you look at the bottom, momentum was beautiful, long bullish, and we have taken this long trade here. As soon as the price hit to the major resistance level, previous high in 4 hour, that's what I explained to my trader. It's time to help. It's time to bank profit. So we had a beautiful long trade in London morning. And at the New York session, as you can see, the price was at the major resistance level, and we were looking either the price gonna break the previous high or the recent low, recent high, recent low, and that's what exactly we were looking at, as mentioned in the analysis. As you can see here, price nicely broken the previous low and bank beautiful pips. As soon as the price hit to this level, just before closing my day, I explained to my trader, bank some profit and keep looking for short trade here. As you can see, we in the London morning session we were long, and New York session we were short, bank beautiful pips. Right now, if you look at the price at the moment, the candle is performing it bearish engulfing candle. Candle hasn't finished after 1 hour. If we see the candlestick develop a bearish engulfing candle, and if the price gonna stay below this level, then we expecting next week probably gonna be short trade here. We'll let you know, guys. As I said to you, we are intraday. Let's see how the market is gonna go. All right, so let's dig into the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, we had a beautiful short trade this morning, and now we are holding some long trades on dollar CAD. And let me explain to you guys. As you can see here, from yesterday we were short from here and bank beautiful pips. Our first target was nicely hit, as mentioned in my previous analysis. The video link is given in my video description. So today we were short as soon as the price developed this candlestick, developed bearish engulfing candle. So technically we were pulled back after the breakout, pulled back short trade here. So we had a beautiful short trade here as soon as the price hit to the support level and at the 200 EMA. That's why we closed all our trades, and we have taken a long trade here. And some of the traders are still holding long. And let me explain to you guys how I analyze this here and how I analyze here for the long trade in intraday and help my traders to bank some profit. Okay, so if I show you the intraday analysis, if you look at the This morning, as you can see, our bias was short on dollar CAD from yesterday just before London Open. I explained to my trader, look for this breakout. Even if you look at here, the price broken and develop a false breakout. So that's what I explained to my trader, look for. And if you look at the bottom, momentum was bearish, beautiful breakout. And afterwards, I keep explaining to my trader, just keep taking a pullback, guys. As long as the momentum is bearish, we had a beautiful pullback short trade, bank beautiful pips. As soon as the price hit this level, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. So look for long here. And then I did another analysis at the New York session. As you can see here, explained to my trader, the price has broken this previous low, and if the price is going to stay below, then we're going to keep taking a short trade here. If the price is going to break, then we're going to be taking a long trade here, because the price was at the major support level. As you can see, beautiful breakout, and afterwards, as always, keep taking a pullback. And as soon as the price hit to the 100 EMA and at the resistance level, that's what we explained to trader, and at the fifth channel, and that's what I explained to my trader, guys, it's time to enjoy some profit. So you can see in the London morning session, we were short. In the New York session, we were long. Bank beautiful pips. As always, we analyze market in 4 hours, define the market sentiment, price action, condition, and then refine the entries in intraday and bank beautiful pips. As you can see, we had such an amazing day today. Again, beautiful pips. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. We had such an amazing day. And Euro yen, if you look at here, we had a beautiful breakout long trade here. And Euro USD, some of the traders, they are looking for short here, as I mentioned you in my analysis. So guys, so the most important thing is you should be watching those analysis in real time and banking profit in real time, alongside developing your trading skill in real time through this virtual platform. Once you develop your trading skill in this virtual platform, if I see you producing consistency result during your training, I can also help you to get funded from prop firms. So if you are interested how I help my traders through live in real time with the live market, and how I help them to get funded, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. Availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Myself or one of my professional trader can help you and show you how you can be a good profitable trader and get funded. So even if you're an experienced trader, as you have seen, this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy pipping alongside with my other trader. So most welcome, guys. Join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and have a nice weekend. Until next time, all the best.